Okay, so there's like birds right here and they can't fly. They're so cute though. They're really cute. I don't know if you see it. Go, fly, shoo shoo.
My uncle's got rollers, bro. Like, we can grab them, but I don't even know what to do with them.
I mean, you should fucking... Well, there's one. The other one's over here. There's one. The other one's right here. I mean, let's see what they do if you feed them this shit.
They don't eat grass, Atay.
They don't do shit.
Because they don't eat grass.
I know, but they won't bite it. Like, I found a bird. They're blackbirds. Those motherfuckers. Now, those are me.